Okay, time to take a look at the YIYEIE 6 pieces anti-slip offset wrench set. So I really love these foam tool holders. I love that they actually included that with this set. It just makes everything look that much nicer, and especially when you got this in your toolbox and you pull your toolbox out, it just makes everything look more luxurious. So here we got an 8 and a 9. So these are both box end. You can't see it is labeled 8 and 9 on the wrench on both sides as well. And we have a nice chrome plating on here. It even says etched into it, chrome vanadium and YIYEIE on the other side. Now, the thing that makes these stand out is it has these teeth that kind of point in going to the left. So these are actually designed to extract bolts that are already rounded off. It's not going to be as good for tightening them down, but when you got wrenches that aren't able to loosen something up because it's rounded off, this one will be able to bite while the other ones won't. I actually already have a set like this, but I don't have one that's offset. The main benefit of that, of course, is if you have to work on a flat surface, you're going to be able to do that with this without scraping your knuckles. If you're to use a flat style bar, you might even have to put your hand on the side of it to move the thing. So this is a much more useful tool in my opinion. The straight bar does have its use, so if you have to put it inside an engine bay or something like that, they have their use, but this one is more useful if you have to go onto a flat surface. Yeah, hey. That's actually super easy. In the worst case scenario, if you need to tighten it, you just flip it over, so you're going to have this thing kind of in the way, but you can grab a nut and you can tighten it that way. So that way the teeth are digging in the correct direction. So yeah, these are awesome wrenches. I love these things.